Hi everyone. Okay, today I am doing a pour that I've been wanting to do for ages. It is a reverse flick and spin. Never tried it yet, and you will see what I mean once we get down to my spinning pour. But first, let's get down to the table and I'll show you the colours I'll be using. The colours I'm using, first of all, there is I know there's a lot of bubbles, but I've got to get this painted today, so I'll be torching a lot, so don't worry about that. Anyway, this is a base I've used before. Titanium White, Winsor Neuter Paste Grey, Amsterdam Silver, but I've added more Titanium White into it, and also some Vallejo, however you pronounce it, this stuff anyway. Somebody tell me how to pronounce this stuff. Pearl medium. I don't expect it to give me any pearls because the paints are fairly thick, but I wanted it for the extra sheen anyway. This one here is a Little Piggy Violet Rain. I've mixed it with a combination of Floetrol and extra heavy gloss gel. Because I did Mina's Tipsy Piggy recipe and it was really runny. And again, like with the other one, the reddish one, was it Nightfall? No, something else. Anyway, it looks washed out because of the Owatrol being white, but it dries clear. It's a really nice dark shimmery purple colour. Then I have a custom teal that I made, and I will put the paints in the description box just below. And this one is another custom mix. I'm calling this Dusty Rose. Again, you'll find descriptions of what I used below. And this one here, I love this color. It's a Liquitex Dioxazine purple and Winsor Newton silver mixed together. It's really, really nice and shimmery. So let's get down to the canvas. I'll be using a 60 centimeter square gallery wrapped deep edge canvas, and that's about 24 inches. So yeah, let's just get down to the spinning pool. Here we are at the spinning pool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spread my base paint and torch it for quite a while, it seems. Oh dear, never mind. Like I said, I've just got to get this done today. Yeah, so this might take me a hot minute or two. So I'm just gonna pop some music on for you and speed this up so we're not here all day with this video.
Still rough around the edges. I guess that some things never change. Yeah, I know that it's been ages, but it kinda feels the same. No matter how hard I try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA. And no matter how hard I try, I cannot get you out of my system. I know we both have some things left to say. Can you stay a little longer? Can I make you change your mind?
So I am ready to attempt this reverse flick and spin. I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so my idea was to lay down the colours on either end and flick towards the middle. So we'll just see what happens after one more torch. Okay, so I'm going to go with the Liquitex Dioxazine Purple and Winsor Newton Silver first. I am fully expecting this to partially fall off the side, but you know, I'm not worried because that is part of this particular technique. You do lose paint. Oh, right. Right, what next? I think I'm gonna go with the teal next. Not that much of it because it's an extremely strong color. There we go. Right, then I am going to do the dusty pink. Dusty rose rather, sorry. Let's pop this in there. And there. Gosh, this is full, this pot. Way too full. I thought that might give me grief, and it did. Never mind. And then finally, but certainly, last but certainly not least, is the TLP Purple Rain, which, by the way, was a surprise sample sent to me. So thank you so much, all you lovely people at this Little Piggy. That was a lovely surprise. Okay, now we will have a look at what happens. Like I said, never done this before, but you know, you gotta try. Oh yeah. Just clean my finger in between. Nice. I love flicking. I love it.
Can we stay here for a while until everything's alright again? That's cool with you, cool with you, cool with you. 'Cause that's cool with me, cool with me, cool with me. Is that cool with you, cool with you, cool with you? 'Cause that's
Okay, that is cool. That is super, super cool. I love that. All right. Wonder if I should just give it a spin now. Yeah, I'm actually really enjoying this composition. It's cool. It is so cool. Right, I'm gonna wait for those gaps to close up. Give it a torch while I'm at it. So this is not what I would now, what I saw in my head as the reverse flick and spin. Yeah, didn't work out like that at all, but I want to keep these. They look so amazing. I've got some really, really, really cool cells popping up right here. So what I'm gonna do is move my canvas to that direction, so it's off center, and then I can get the paint to move more in that direction because I don't want to lose all this. These look so cool, so just bear with me a moment.
cool with me, cool with me. Maybe I am selfish, 'cause I want you to myself. And all your friends are waiting, but we both know you wanna stay, just like nothing has changed. No matter how hard you try, you cannot push me out, so just listen. I've been thinking of you since you broke it and moved to LA. And no matter how hard I try, I cannot get you out of my system.
I love the way that looks. Look at that. That is so cool. Wow. Right, time to test how much paint I have there, because I could really do with leaving this alone right about now. Let's try that. Hardly any. Yeah, that's good to leave it as it is. That is so wicked cool. Okay, I am just gonna tidy up, recenter my canvas, get it positioned so that it's level. This floor is funky, so I always mark one end that I know has to point towards me for the canvas to be level, so I can just leave it at that position once I'm done doing what I'm doing on the spinner. So yeah, I'll bring you in for a close-up in just a moment. Here we have the wet results. So let's go have a closer look. I've got some awesome cells happening. And I am not using the flash, and you can really see the shimmer already. Can't wait for this to dry, and I've got so many corkscrews. Now, I am pretty sure that that thing that looks kind of muddy and grey, I'm pretty sure that is going to dry something incredible. Oh, can't wait. Do you think if I, it's like 7 o'clock in the evening, if I come in here every half an hour tonight, that it might dry faster? Because I just cannot wait. Oh, good grief. So, anyway, I will be back with the dried results. Here we have the dried results. Let's go have a look. I love it. I think it's really kind of funky. The daylight is fading badly here right now, so you won't be seeing any of the shimmer, but I will put the flash on in just a sec. But I love all these shapes it created. Now I think that bit there is the TLP. So my mix was too thinned out, I think. The pigment sort of spread out a little bit too much in this technique. But yeah, let me just put the flash on. So back indoors with the flash on, so we can really pick up the shimmer in the paints. Yeah, even though that one is, it's fairly sort of, the pigment, like I said, is quite spread out. Still has a nice shine to it. And yeah, I love these crazy shapes I got. I really do like it. And the cells at the bottom, they're just magic. They really are. That group there is just gorgeous. And that one there. So lovely. I really like this particular example of a flick and spin. Quite different, huh? But anyway, I'd love to hear what you think. So please leave me a comment and a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. But thank you so much for being here with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.